I'm going to come over here and check out this 1940 Farmall M because it hasn't been started in about 3 months. And that's a little discerning, but I did not want to start it in sub-zero temperatures. The reality is, if you have to use a piece of machinery with an engine and start it up when it's sub-zero temperatures, that's fine. But if you don't. That's why on a lot of my equipment I use synthetic fuels with the synthetic Lucas additive, because startup is everything on an engine. All right, here we are. Let's check out the fuel situation. I have the battery pulled. It's in the barn on trickle charge. Pulling the sediment bowl, it looks good, but there is some sediment in the bottom of that. And I guess in a certain way that is good news. The filter's going to need changed. I ran this from late spring all through summer, and I did use this tractor quite a bit. I certainly used it to plant, as evidenced by the planting video, Farmall M planting video, which obviously I needed to redo the thumbnails and different things like that because I didn't know how to YouTube back then, and well, I'm still learning. But either way, I'm going to get this thing fired up and hopefully hang out to watch. Now, I've had this battery on trickle charge for about 2 weeks, and then, about a week and a half ago, I come out and shut the charger off and took it off trickle charge. So it's going to be interesting to see when I hook it up to the M, the Farmall M, is it going to have enough juice to crank it over? Let's have a look. This tractor hasn't started in 3 months. It's a real testament to seafoam. I always keep the tank full, just like I said. That'll keep the water out of your system, but I like to throw seafoam in there. I really do. Some people say, oh, that's a mechanic in a can. Don't worry about that. You're not trying to be a mechanic by keeping your old fuel good. When we get days like this in February or January or whatever, the one thing I like to do is get my machines running. Most of your gremlins and problems aren't from overusing your machines, it's from underuse. Bearings, fuel systems, you name it. 60-degree day in February, if you got the time, get out there and fire everything up, get the blood flowing again. I will be doing a video on rebuilding the steering system on this Farmall M. It is loosey-goosey. All the bushings and stuff like that, the joints, everything on this steering is original.